Law enforcement is keeping details of this investigation so far close, and there are a lot of questions. But tonight, a prominent labor organization as well as some constituents are calling for Councilmember Sean Malloy to resign. In video recorded by Angela Grijalva, law enforcement can be seen closing down and searching a Viva supermarket in Del Paso Heights.
What I saw were officers inside the store. They were at all the registers, pulling out the registers. I saw them with boxes of what you can only suppose is evidence.
Court documents confirm the store is owned by Sacramento City Council member Sean Malloy. Confused customers were seen at the Norwood Avenue store being turned away after the location's sudden closure.
I did hear there was a raid, and I wonder why, because this is the best store to shop at. Everything is neat and in its place.
You want to toss it like that?
Nearby business owner Sean Ball was concerned too.
One of my staff members was trying to toss the trash out in the back, and she was stopped. Looked like there were some agents in the back over there. We're not sure why. We're all kind of shocked. We don't really know what happened.
The exact nature of the investigation remained unclear Thursday. A Department of Homeland Security spokesperson confirmed with KCRA3 that it worked with IRS criminal investigations and the California Department of Justice. The spokesperson described the operation as, quote, court-authorized criminal law enforcement activity and took place at several locations in the Sacramento area. This is not the first time Malloy has faced federal scrutiny. In 2022, the U.S. Labor Department sued Malloy after it says 3 separate investigations uncovered violations to the Fair Labor Standards Act at his stores. That lawsuit is ongoing. Federal officials would not confirm if Thursday's search is connected.
This is a distraction, and the community does deserve a lot better than this.
In an open letter, the Sacramento Central Labor Council called for Malloy's resignation from the city council. The organization represents more than 100 unions and worker organizations.
We were concerned about the alleged labor violations that have been committed, allegedly committed at his stores for a number of years, and we've actually talked to workers there who have outlined numerous types of violations.
The acting manager at one of the Viva supermarkets said he had no comment on the activity Thursday. Calls and messages to Malloy and his team went unanswered. So it's unclear what happens next, but we did reach out to every member of the Sacramento City Council. We did not hear back. However, we did connect with a spokesperson for the mayor. He told us they had no comment. In Sacramento, Leanne Denyer, KCRA 3 News.
Leanne, thank you.